Unit 2, data modeling using the entity relationship model. Contents: database application examples, entity types, summary. So database applications examples are: the schema for database application can be displayed by means of the graphical notations known as the ER diagrams or entity relationship diagrams. For example, a sample database application called company, right? So ER model concepts: the company is organized into departments. Each department has a unique name, unique number, and particular employee who manages the department. A department controls a number of projects, each of which has a unique name, a unique number, and a single location. We store each employee's name, social security number, address, salary, sex, and birth date. An employee is assigned to one department but may work on several projects which are not necessarily controlled by the same department. We keep track of the current number of hours per week that an employee works on each project. We also keep track of the direct supervisor of each employee. We want to keep the track of the dependents on each employee for insurance purpose. We keep each dependent's first name, sex, birth date, and relationships to the employee. We keep track of the start date when the employee began managing the department. A department may have several locations. So here we have a schema diagrams. So employee, department, department location, project, works on, right? And dependent. So in a employee entity, we have so many of number of attributes. In departments, we have 4 attributes. In department location, we have 2 attributes. Projects is having 4 attributes. Works on is having 3 attributes, and dependent is having 4 attributes. So where here the SSN is the primary key of the employee attribute. Department, so D number is the primary key. So here department location, so here D number. In project, P number is the primary key. So works on, here is a ESSN is a primary key. And in a dependent, so I think they not define any primary keys. Okay, right? So next, entity types. For example, employee is entity, student entity, right? So both are the entities. Example, employee entity type with the name, age, salary, so on, attributes. These are the attributes, right? So this is the employee is the entity, okay, and these are the attributes of the employee. Entity may be an object with a physical existence, right? Entity type defines a collection of entities that have the same attributes. Each entity type in the database is described by the name and attributes. The collection of all entities, particular entity type in database at any point in time is called an entity set. For example, here see. So entity set means the collection of all entities of a particular entity type is called as an entity set. Let's take an example of employee refers to both type of entity as well as the current set of all employee entities in the database. So this type of called as a entity set. So here in the block diagram, 2 entity types, employee and company, right? And some member entities of each. See here, so employee is having these 3 attributes here. So company is having 3 attributes. The name specifies the character type of data, age integer type, salary also is a integer type. So here John Smith 56, 55, 80K. So this is the name, age, and salary. Same as in company also. So name, headquarters, president. So here, so three attributes are having in a character type data, right? So is shown in this figure, right? So like this, an entity type describes a schema or intention for a set of entities that share the same structure. Summary: an example database application, entity types. Thank you.